Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My
Please.
name is Sheila May Bandianon,
Mhm.
27 years old.
Okay. Why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
I want work domestic helper because I want to help my children in their studies and also I want to help to my family.
How are you qualified for this job?
I have an experience as a domestic helper.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
I am a high school graduate.
Have you worked abroad?
Yes, in Saudi Arabia.
Okay. What is your recent working experience, your last job?
Cleaning the house
No, what
in,
is your last job? Is in where?
in Saudi Arabia
As what?
as a domestic helper.
Currently, are you still working?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any serious injury or illness?
No, ma'am.
Are you taking any medicine or
No, ma'am.
vitamins? Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
My eldest is normal delivery and the second is cesarean.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
In where? Okay. Okay. Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dish?
Filipino foods and Arabic foods.
Do you have any other special skills?
No, ma'am.
In all the housework, what do you like the most?
Cooking and cleaning.
Do you have experience taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of before?
The baby of my employer.
Do you have experience taking care of elderly?
No, ma'am.
But are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work where the employer, where the parent or parent-in-law or any relative stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
2.
Are you legally married?
No, ma'am.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, ma'am.
When your baby was born, who take care of them?
My mother.
Why is it your mother?
Because I'm working.
Who will take care of your kids if you will work abroad?
My mother.
You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No friends and relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning and they will return back to you once your work is done. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you misuse the handphone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the rules and regulation of the handphone policy?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any allergy to food or any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pets?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any friends and relatives here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Or how many years are you planning to work in Malaysia?
2 years.
But if let's say the employer still want you, are you willing to renew?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken your vaccination and booster?
Yes, ma'am.
In what medicine?
Pfizer.
Have you infected by COVID or Omicron before?
No, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have an off day but you're not allowed to go out? You will rest inside the employer's house only.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you undergo any surgery before?
Yes, ma'am.
What surgery?
Cesarean.
When?
August 23, 2021.
Okay. Have you in fact, do you have any sickness like high blood pressure, thyroid, asthma, or anything?
No, ma'am.
Are you wearing eyeglasses?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any problem in hearing?
No, ma'am.
Have you met any accident before, like broken leg or the hand or any metal in the body?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, ma'am.
If the employer is watching you right now, what do you want to tell them?
I tell, please choose me. I am hardworking, responsible, kind, and respectful. And am willing to finish my contract in my job.
Okay. So Sheila, if let's say there's an employer wanted to interview you, we will inform the Philippine agency, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.